Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is all about converting a PDF document into an Excel format. So any data that you have within your PDF can be extracted and converted into Excel, and then you can start working on it. So let's see how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a blank Excel sheet and I'll try to get the data from a PDF that is already available with me. In order to do this, all you have to do is in your tabs above, just go to the data tab, click on the data tab. From there, go ahead and click on get data. Once you click on get data, there are multiple options that come up. The very first option says from file. So click on from file and there you will find an option called from PDF. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be given an option to choose a PDF. So I'm selecting a PDF which I have already created here, Forestry in India. I'm going to import it. It will take a few seconds for Excel to, establish a connection with the PDF file, and it will analyze, or so to say, extract the data for you. And you will get something like this, a navigator. This is a Power Query navigator. So now you will notice that the PDF is imported and sections of the PDF are, given different names like table 1, table 002 and so on. And if I click on each of them, I will be able to see different kinds of data. All right. Now let me just show you the PDF file as well so that you have a better understanding of what the exact PDF looks like. So this is the PDF that I was talking about, Forestry in India, and it has a lot of text here and a lot of links. Then you have some images, and if you scroll down slowly to the bottom, you will see something like this. So there is a small table. Now we need this table to be exported to Excel. All right. So this data is there, but it's in PDF format for now. And if I just scroll down, I will be able to see some other small tables. Yeah, there is a small table here, and then you have another table here. And if I scroll down further, I may be able to see something. Let me see. Okay, so that's it. It's all text after that, right? So hardly 2 to 3 tables. What we'll do is we'll just ignore these 2 tables. We don't need these 2 tables. I'll just show you how to get the very first table, which is the longest table in the PDF, into Excel. So let me go back to Excel. Now, in here, the very first table, that is table 001, and this appears in the order in which it is available in your PDF. All right. So this is the actual table. We have the type of forest, then you have area in square kilometers, and then you have percentage of total forest. So this looks like a valid data. If I go to table number 2, you can see something like this comes up. Column 1, column 2, it doesn't have a header. The data in column 1 is not proper. So what usually happens is when you are getting data from PDF, anything that looks like a table format to Excel engine, it tries to show you that, and if required, you can import it to your Excel sheet. So in this case, we don't want that. Now this is another interesting data, right? The table has been showcased to us as it is. So for the time being, we don't want it. In case you want to select multiple tables, all you have to do is just come to this tab which says select multiple items, click on it, and a checkbox will get activated for you. So then you can, select whichever table you want from here and just go here and you can load it to your Excel sheet. Now there is another option called transform data. In case you want to, let's say, let me take the example of the first table. In case this is the table you want to export, and here you want to let me say you want to delete this particular column area, right, before you load it to the Excel sheet. So for that you can go to transform, and then it will give you multiple options to delete. And let's say you want to do some calculation based on area and percentage, and you want a new column altogether, you can do that using transform data. But for the interest of this video, we don't want to use the transform data. We just want to showcase you how you can get a PDF to be converted into Excel. All right. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'll just select this table as I have said, and I'll go to load. I'll click on this drop down and I'll say load to, and it will give me a quick option. Where do I want it? So I want it as a table in my new worksheet. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and click on OK. So you can see a new worksheet has been created, table 001 page 3, and it is loading the data for me. And you can see 17 rows loaded. And there you go. You have your table which you saw in your PDF right here. So it is as simple as that. Now you can go ahead and use this data to work on it. You can create pivot tables with it. You can do any sorts of formatting because it is an actual data now that you can work on Excel. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you haven't watched our previous videos, there is a very interesting mini project that we have done in Excel. Please go and check it out. Any comments, any feedback, please post it down below in the comments tab. Thanks a lot and see you with another video next week.